Hello everyone and welcome to my channel Options Trader Today. So today in this video I will explain you how the price of gold has moved in the last month and how the price of gold can move in this month. Okay, if you look at the chart of gold, what we have seen that gold has not shown so much of volatility what we have seen after 1999. Okay, and if you look at this particular trend, there is a, you can say there is a pattern that has been created. You can understand where the gold price can move. See, if you look at the pattern from 1978, there was a continuous upside. This is the flag pattern, as you can see. After that, once this flag pattern moved or crossed this particular range, it has started moving upside. Okay, and after 2001 we have seen that the price of gold was moving continuously. Otherwise it was moving at a range of $253. Okay, after that it was continuously moving high and it has made a high of around $1941. Okay, and it was moving in this particular range for quite some time. Okay, at a low of around $1048, which is what we have seen in 2015. After that we have not seen this particular level even in pandemic. Okay, now if you look at this particular chart from this particular trend, you can say from 2011, what we have seen, there is a similar patterns are being created here. Okay, this pattern is from 2012 to 2020. Okay, and this particular pattern is from 2020 to 2022. Okay, and now this particular same pattern is created for 8 months. Okay, what this pattern says that whenever, see, these are the resistance, same we have seen here. Okay, a U pattern is forming. After that, what it does, that this U pattern, when the price move upside, it comes down to particular support and then it moves upside. This is the pattern we have seen in the price of gold. Okay, now if you look at this particular pattern closely, what we have seen that this is the pattern is created. Probability of going further upside will be there if the price sustain, because whenever it creates this particular pattern, it tries to make a new high. Okay, and this particular resistance is already being tested here twice, so chances can be high that if this price comes close to this particular level, we can see it can move further upside, because these are the two resistance which is already a weak resistance, so chances of going further upside is there. Okay, now see, before we move ahead and explain you where the price of gold can move in the month of May 2023, if you have any doubt, you can mail me at stockmarkettradinglive@gmail.com and one more mail ID in the description. Please watch the full video so you understand how this technical work, and a Telegram link I have given in the description. You can join that too. Okay, now look at this particular chart. There is a continuous upside we have seen. Okay, and this continuous upside, it has already made a low of around 1617, which is a weak support. Keep that in mind. This is a weak support, so chances can be high if this particular sustain, we can see it can move further upside. So now suppose if the price sustain, what we can see, it can go towards a level of $2002. Okay, and this is the level. If sustain, the probability of going further upside is there. Till the time it is not sustaining this level, we can see yes, it will move in this particular zone itself, or if it goes below, and if it is moving below a level of 2000, then you can say it will be in this particular zone itself, or if it moves below a level of around 1972, then we can see it can go further down. Okay, now if you look at this particular support, the next resistance we can see after $2002, that if this level sustain, we can see it can go further upside, and a probability as per the monthly chart, we can see it can go towards a level of around $2049. Okay, and suppose if the price sustain above $2049, it can go towards a level of $2077. Okay, and this $2077 is already a resistance which is a weak resistance, so keep that in mind. Once the price sustain above this level, chances of touching a level of 2014 is there, and once it sustain this level 2014, okay, then probability of touching 2049 will be there, and once it goes above this level, chances of touching a level of around 2077 is there, and then from there we can see it can move further upside, because 2077 is already a weak support, so it can make its all-time high again, new high. But see, why I'm telling you, these are the some of the resistance which I'm telling you. Now you have to understand something, that the market will not move sharp upside or sharp fall. It will not happen. Okay, when there will be sharp upside or sharp down when there is big event happening, like war situation is coming or like pandemic situation type of, then you will see a sharp fall and a sharp rise. That means a big sharp and big rise. Otherwise it will give you some immense. Suppose if it has to move upside, it will move upside, hold for some time, then it will go upside. In the same way it will come down, hold for some time, then it will come down. This is how it will do. Now suppose if this level didn't sustain, but always remember, suppose if you are in profit of some 100% profit, suppose if you are in $10,000 profit, $1,000, whatever it is, keep that as, suppose that is 100%. Once that profit comes down to 70 or 60%, exit the trade for the day, because it is very important you to save your profit. You should not be thinking that it will go 80 then you will exit, or 60 will go 70 then you will exit, then you will lose your full profit, even the capital you can lose. So you have to be very careful regarding that. Okay, now suppose if the price didn't sustain, because I am not telling you that the market will go in one direction, I'm telling you the supports as well as resistance, and you keep on trailing your SL for the profit. Okay, and trailing profit, so that your profit should be saved. Okay, now as you can see that it is trying to form red candle. Okay, so probability can be there. The next support we can see coming at a level of around $1975. Okay, suppose if the price didn't sustain, it can come down towards a level of $1975, and see the next resistance coming at a level of around 1970. See the next resistance, see the next support coming at a level of around $1983, and if that levels move further low, then a probability of going further down is there. Chances are very high it can go towards a level of around $1975. Okay, and if that level fall further down, then we can see a level of 1964, and if that level also move further low, then we can see a level of 1961 to a level of 1950. Okay, and suppose the price fall below that level, then chances of touching $1933 is there, and once started falling below that level, then we can see it can touch a level of 1912. 1912 is a support. From there we can see a bounce back can come, but if that level also move further down, then chances of touching a level of 1900 will be there, then we can see it can move further down. If the price fall below this level, I'll make another video explaining you where it can go. Any doubt regarding this, you can mail me. I've given the mail IDs in the description. Okay, so hope you like the video, and if you like the video, please give a thumbs up, and if you're new to my channel, please subscribe it.